found one.
What is that, Kelsey? An egg.
Put them right here. Okay, let's go find more eggs. Oh, she found more eggs.
Kelsey.
Those are Colby's eggs. Go find more eggs.
What's that?
Look here. Look at the angel. Pretty? Colby is so old.
How many she have?
1, 2, P2.
She has 2.
Good.
6. How many eggs are there? 8.
Find your other eggs. Put those down.
We got more eggs.
Check in the living room, maybe.
Watch out, Black on 4.
Come look more.
Come over here. Can you turn the TV off?
What do you got?